Well, I'm finishing up the bee box project, beehives. The last stage is I've put all these frames together, 20, 32 of them. And then in each one of these, I have some of them bigger I've already done now. But we have to put this wax. These are sheets of beeswax that are like preformed so that the bees will, I don't know if you can't see the texture, but I'll get a cutaway. But it's got a pattern on it that matches the pattern that the bees make cells with. So this kind of helps them get started, but I got to put it in the frame. And it's a process. But this is like the finishing part. Once I do these frames, once I put the wax in these frames, we'll be ready for bees. But it's a process. I have to trim the corners, then fit it into this little slot. See that little slot? I want to fit it into that. And then I have to nail a strip in place to hold the top of the wax. It has wires, bent wires at the top, and wires run through it to kind of support it. And so my job is to now to get it in this little slot at the bottom. It's kind of tedious sometimes because those wires want to stick. That one went pretty good, pretty quick. The thing about these projects is you get better at them as you go through the project. It gets easier. So I'm much better now than I was when I started. Thank God. I had to figure out a couple of tricks. I'll show you one of them. There we go. Now let me put this strip in. It's going to hold the wires. The wires are bent right here. They're bent right along here. And I'm going to put this wood strip over it, and that's going to hold it in the frame. Like that. And I put it in. Now we got 3 nails. A lot of nails in this one. Little bitty nails too. Teeny weeny weeny nails. I have to get a teeny weeny weeny hammer because my regular hammer is just too big to fit into these spaces. So here we go. I'm gonna put this strip of wood down and one more. A lot of nailing. A lot of nailing to put together this beehive. And I did it. I told my daughter Imani, I said, I know you'd go at it, but this takes hammer skills. And she's going to get them. But this is our first hive, so I'm going to put it together. So the frame is all made up. It's stripped, just is holding the wax in place. And it's ready to drop into the hive. And that's what we're going to do.